BJP has slammed Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister over the sex abuse taint. So even BJP is going a step ahead. BJP MLA has said law is same for all, even for Prajwal Revanna. And the BJP MLA adds there's a pen drive on DK Shivakumar also. Is this a sex abuse allegation against one Neta and then another Neta? Big war over the sex abuse taint on Revanna. This is now the BJP MLA saying, why is the Congress party shouting so much? There is one pen drive on DK Shivakumar also. Listen in to what the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka said after this question was put to him.
ನಾನು ಪ್ರಜಾಲ್ ಅದು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಕೇಳೋದ್ ಬದಲು ನೀವು ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ನಾಯಕರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಶೆಟ್ಟರ್ ಕೇಳಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ MP ಅಂಗಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕೇಳಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಲಿ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಅಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಏನು, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು.
ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೇ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಇಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಾನೂನು ಏನೈತಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದೇ, ಆ ಕಾನೂನು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕ್ರಮ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಘಟನೆಗಳು ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಚೌಕಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಯಾರು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ತಪ್ಪೇ. ಇವತ್ತು ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾರು ಏನು ತಿಂದರೂ ಏನು ಕುಡಿಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಉಪ್ಪು ತಿಂದವ್ರು ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಮ್ಮದು ಯಾರು
ಸರ್ ಪೆನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಯಾರು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತಂದು DCM ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಆ DCM ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ರತಿಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಇಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ಲಾಕ್ ತಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ. DCM ಒಂದು ಪೆನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಐತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ.
He was asked about the pen drive and sexually explicit videos of harassment of Prajwal Revanna, to which the BJP MLA said, what is DK Shivakumar talking about? There is a pen drive on him too. This is the election discourse coming in from Karnataka right now. I want to bring in Anaga Keshav on the latest on that. Anaga, I have to say that while there are a lot of issues being discussed this election season, your state clearly has another tangent going on, and these are very serious charges of sexual harassment, specifically coming in against Prajwal Revanna, but now charging at DK Shivakumar. How is the Deputy CM saying, don't charge at me over this?
Pooja, for the question that was asked for Basavagowda Patil Yatnal on Prajwal Revanna's sex scandal, he stated that stop pointing fingers at the NDA government. Look at what's happening to you. Look at look at what your leaders are doing. You say that there are videos that that are being circulated on Prajwal Revanna, but I too have a pen drive on DK Shivakumar was the kind of scathing attack that Basavagowda Patil Yatnal did. It's not the first time. He has he has made similar such statements in the past as well. But DK Shivakumar has stated that the NDA should totally reconsider. They should be siding in with a man who has been charged with a case of sexual perversion. The BJP should reconsider its choices on siding in with with JDS, whose own family member is accused of rape and molestation. Who is accused of harassing women, sexual perversion.
Yes.
So the BJP should reconsider its decision, is what the Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar has stated.
And it's not the sort of political discourse that we should be having. There shouldn't be such sexual harassment videos, allegations. It shouldn't be a part of the society. I appreciate you joining us. Anaga Keshav and all our colleagues on the ground in Karnataka are tracking this story. They're on top of it. They're trying to get as many updates as possible. But it's definitely reflective of what's unfolding.